Have you ever noticed that the quietest person in the room is often the most mysterious? Most people think silent people are weak, shy, or insecure, but psychology suggests something completely different. Silent people usually spend more time observing than speaking. While others are busy trying to impress everyone, they quietly watch behaviors, emotions, and reactions. Psychologists believe that introverted people focus deeply on their inner world, which makes them more thoughtful and aware of their surroundings. This is why silent people often notice things that others completely miss. They understand body language, fake smile, hidden intentions, and emotional changes without needing many words. And that makes them psychologically powerful. Humans naturally fear what they cannot fully understand, and silence creates mystery. When someone talks too much, you quickly learn their weaknesses, emotions, and intentions. But quiet people reveal very little, which makes them difficult to predict. A philosopher once said, "Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak." Many silent people are underestimated because they do not seek attention, but underestimating someone can be dangerous. Psychology also shows that emotional control is a sign of mental strength. Most people react immediately when angry or frustrated, but silent people often stay calm and think before responding. Psychologists explained through emotional intelligence research that people who control their emotions make smarter decisions under pressure. That calmness can feel intimidating because calm people are harder to manipulate. Silence itself can also become a weapon. In conversations, silence creates pressure, and pressure often makes people reveal more than they should. That is why negotiators, leaders, and intelligent people sometimes stay quiet on purpose. So never underestimate silent people. Not everyone who stays quiet has nothing to say. Some people stay silent because they are observing, learning, and understanding everything happening around them. A loud mind speaks constantly, but a powerful mind knows when silence is more effective than words.